guys, we just pulled up in Stavanger's port and we are parked next to the Ida Sol, which is the German cruise ship, and it's beautiful and massive. We just got ready and gonna go for breakfast in the buffet. The door to go out opens in like 10-15 minutes, so we're gonna try to get there quickly as possible and have a full day in Stavanger. We are really lucky with the weather because it was predicted to be 15 degrees and cloudy, and we have beautiful sunshine, blue skies, and I'm pretty sure it's closer to 20 than 15, or at least it feels really warm, so I'm feeling very lucky. And yeah, let's go for breakfast. Right, we just had our breakfast and we are walking around the promenade deck on our Britannia and just looking around. We're gonna go off the ship any minute now, and we're gonna go first. I think we're gonna take a bus and go to see the Stavanger Sverd, which is like a big sculpture that I wanted to see for around 15 years, so I am super excited about that, because I was when I was younger I was really into Norwegian mythology, and the little swords were just like a thing that I really wanted to see, so very excited about that. Just walking around Stavanger, we took a bus to see the swords, and we just got off the bus and now walking down like a little parky area to get there. If you want to do that, you have to take bus 16 from the city center next to the lake where the cathedral is, and then you will get off in probably 10 stops. I will leave down below the name, or I will put it somewhere on the screen now, name of the bus stop you have to take when you get off the bus. And yeah, it's very lovely walk. I'm gonna do a pan now of where I'm walking. Parky area, and there is some water here, which looks, oh my god, this looks like a little lovely stream. That looks lovely. And oh my god, I can see the swords. I can see them through the trees. Oh my god, they're amazing. just got to the cathedral in Stavanger. Unfortunately, it's covered and in renovation, so we're just gonna avoid that, let it be, and we're gonna go to the old city and explore the picturesque little building. At our final destination for Stavanger, and this is the Geoparken, which is a park made of old petrol drilling equipment and recycled plastic. They just reused the material and decided to make a park for kids for entertainment, which is really, really good. So let's explore. We are just on our way back to the Britannia, so we saw, I think, everything there was to see in the city, and we decided to go back. It's around 2:30, well, closer, sorry, it's around 3 o'clock, and you have till 4 to get to the back to the ship. We decided to go now and grab some time at the pool when it's a bit less people, so that's what we're going to do now.